if you want to see the password of your Apple ID, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open the app library. Now from here, just look for the Passwords app. Now just tap on it. Now just open this app using your lock screen passcode or your Face ID. After you arrive on this page, then tap on All, and over here you will find all the passwords which have been saved in your Apple ID. Now to see the password of your Apple ID, just tap on Apple at the top of the screen. Now since I have multiple Apple accounts, it is showing multiple Apple IDs over here, but if you have a single account, you will see your only Apple account at the top of the screen. Now just tap on Apple, and as you can see in front of the username, you will find your Apple ID, and beneath that in front of the password, you will find the password of your Apple ID. Now to see the password, just tap on the dots on the screen, and by doing that, the password will be unhidden and you will be able to see it, just like that. But something to note that if you have created your Apple ID using your Gmail account instead of an iCloud account, you will not see this option over here. This will only work if you're using an iCloud account for your Apple ID. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.